In issue 200, Lisa Roper, a horticulturist at Chanticleer Garden, demonstrated how hand-cast leaves can create artful niches for drought-loving plants like succulents. If you would like to create a planter of your own, follow these excellent step-by-step instructions from Lisa. First, gather your materials: builder's sand, Portland cement, concrete bonding adhesive, rubber gloves, a dust mask, bucket, a trowel, plastic wrap, and plastic sheeting. Choose a durable leaf with strong veins. Pick it fresh before casting. Cover your work surface with plastic. Make a dome of moist sand at least 2 inches larger than your leaf. Cover the dome with a layer of plastic wrap. Trim the stem and place the leaf on the plastic wrap. Time to cast. Wear a dust mask when mixing the concrete. Mix 1 part Portland cement with 3 parts coarse sand. Mix 4 parts water with 1 part bonding agent. Gradually add the liquid ingredients to the sand and cement, stirring after each pour. Add just enough liquid to give the mixture the consistency of thick brownie batter. Wearing rubber gloves, scoop small amounts of concrete onto the leaf, starting at the center. Gently pat the concrete as you go to remove air bubbles. Fold up the plastic wrap to neaten the edges of the leaf. Make 1 or more drainage holes at the lowest point of your planter. Cover the concrete with plastic to help it cure slowly. Allow the concrete to cure for 1 week, spritzing it with water every day. Once the concrete is cured, remove the plastic, peel the leaf off, and you are ready to plant. Happy crafting from Fine Gardening. For more inspiring garden craft projects, go to finegardening.com.